Hello everybody, welcome to another fabulous episode of Discount Donnie with the Y. Why? Because you should never pay full price to live your life. I'm coming at you today with a Dollar Tree haul, but all Dallas Cowboy stuff. So one of the things I wanted to show you is they have these new two packs of Dallas Cowboy coffee cups. You may have remembered I hauled something similar to this one cup previously, and I'm going to compare the two just to show y'all. They have these new bins for Dallas Cowboys that are official also as well. And as y'all know, I had the piece of containers from before. I'm planning on selling a lot of this stuff on Mercari, as gift packs for people that don't live in the Dallas-Fort Worth area. So pizza box, and then they got the little admit one ticket. It's a little wall hanging thing, and of course the water bottle. And then of course the trays, the Dallas Cowboy trays, platter trays, or whatever you want to call them. So I'm going to show you. This is the one that they were offering. It's very high quality, higher, thicker, with the lid. The lid retracts like that. And you got your little hole for your coffee. This is really nice. It's insulated really well. It's only one-sided. It is official NFL. This is the one they've had in the stores probably almost 6-7 months, something like that. So these are very nice. So the new ones I just found yesterday. I found these in Plano and multiple Plano locations, and I think in Mesquite too. It's got the one-sided Dallas Cowboy logo just like the other one, but it's a 2-pack. So it doesn't have the lid cover for the hole. This is a thinner plastic. I don't really want to, because I'm going to sell this, so I don't really want to open it and ruin it. So I'm going to just flip it off so I can just show you. So it's like this. It's very thin plastic on the inside. It's not very nice. So I basically just wanted to show that. It's not very high quality, but for a gift bag, it's good because it's 2 in a package. I was going to put 2 of these in my packages that I was going to make, and then sell them on Mercari. I personally am a Los Angeles Dodgers fan. I like baseball. I also like the Texas Rangers, so don't hate me, Dallas people, because you know I love my Rangers too. So I got a bunch of Los Angeles stuff like this, and I wish somebody was selling it on Mercari or something so I could buy it. So that's what I'm doing as a service for other people, but I'm also going to make a profit on it also. So I'm going to be real about that. So so look out for that. If you follow me on Mercari, that'll be coming up soon. Please like, subscribe, and share, and I really appreciate it. Thank you so much. God bless. Peace out.